Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. In this video, it's all about music and courage. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. While we draw, let me tell you all about Rumi. Rumi is a brave, music-loving hero. She's part of a K-pop team that sings, dances, and helps people. Her superpower is the power of rhythm. Boom, boom, beat. She believes a good beat and a kind heart can calm even the grumpiest shadows. Here's our first lesson: teamwork. A K-pop team moves together, listens to each other, and shares the spotlight. When friends work as one, little steps become big magic. You can be on a team too, at school, at home, even right now while we draw together. Second lesson, practice. Rumi doesn't give up when a move is tricky. She tries again, slow and steady, and she smiles while she learns. Okay, mini story time. Imagine this. Rumi and her friends are backstage. The lights are twinkly, the crowd is cheering softly, and a teeny tiny shadow monster is hiding in a shoebox, feeling shy. Guess what happens when the music starts? The beat goes tap tap, the bass goes thump thump, and the little shadow peeks out. You won't believe it. It starts wiggling its toes to the rhythm. Rumi laughs and says, "Follow me." She twirls once, twice, 3 times, and the shy shadow copies her spins. What do you think Rumi would do next? Teach a gentle dance, share a snack, or give the shadow a sparkly sticker for being brave? If you think that's adorable, give this video a big like. Keep drawing with me, your picture is looking awesome. Now, some fun facts, because learning makes our art extra bright. Fun fact 1. K-pop means Korean pop music. It comes from a country called South Korea, far across the ocean. People there speak Korean. In Korean, hello is annyeong. Can you try it? Annyeong. Thank you is gomawo. Gomawo. Nice and friendly. But that's not all. K-pop dances love counts of 8. Dancers clap and move to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then start again. Let's do a quiet lap clap on our leg while we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! Counting helps your body and brain dance together. Another cool thing, microphones. A microphone turns a small voice into a big stage voice. Tiny sounds go into the mic, travel as little waves through cables or air, and come out of speakers as music you can feel. That thump in your chest? That's the beat saying hello! Quick fact, practice makes progress. Stars train every day. Stretch, sing, smile, repeat. You can practice anything in little pieces. Tying shoes, reading a new word, or drawing cool hair swishes. Tiny practice times add up to wow! And here's a sparkle tip from the stage. Bright lights are super strong, so performers wear outfits that help them stand out. That way, even friends in the highest seats can see their moves. Teamwork, planning, and safety make the show shine. Want to learn one more word? Beat. A beat is the steady heartbeat of a song. You can find beats everywhere. Your steps, a clock tick, raindrops on the window. If you can count it, you can dance it. Try tapping the edge of your paper softly. Tap, 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 tap. You're a rhythm pro. But wait, one more surprise. Some K-pop shows have thousands of fans all cheering together. That's a lot of voices saying, "You can do it!" When you show your art to your family, you can feel that good cheer too. Show them your drawing later and say, "I made this with focus and fun." And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will totally wow you. I can already tell your Rumi has superstar energy.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da
Amazing! High five, artist friend! Today we drew Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters, and we even learned new words, Anyang and Gamawo. If you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you next time, friends. Bye!